Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video we will see how to fix the computer did not resync because no time data was available, and you will receive this error while synchronizing time using command prompt. So first of all, I will illustrate you how this error actually occurs. So I have opened administrative command prompt. In the command prompt window, I type first command w32tm space slash resync and press the enter key. You can see that the service has not been started, error occurred. So I started the Windows time service, and after that I retried the w32tm space slash resync, that is resync command, and there occurred error. The computer did not resync because no time data was available. So we will see how to fix this particular issue in this video. So here is the solution. Right click on the start button and select run, type regedit and press enter key or click OK. Click yes in the USC confirmation prompt. In the registry editor window, go to H key local machine system current control set services W32 time and parameters. In the right pane of parameters, you will find type named registry string, which is having its value data set to no sync. All you need to do is double click on that registry string and set its value data to NTP. And as we have set the value data to NTP, the NTP server is time.windows.com. So the value data of type named registry string is set to NTP. Now all you need to do is close registry editor and restart your system to make changes effective. So after restarting the system, we will again verify if the resync command now works perfectly. For that, we will again open administrative command prompt, and in the command prompt window, I will type the resync command and press enter key. Again the service has not been started, error occurred. So I will just start Windows time service. After that I will again try the resync command, and this time the command completed successfully. This means the error or the issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.